Hello, and welcome to eToll-Free's Cloud Phone System tutorials. Now that you've added an extension, it's time to connect it to a Deskphone or Softphone. Let's dive right in. First up, Deskphones. There are several brands out there that are compatible with PBX systems, including Yealink, Poly, you might know them as Polycom, Grandstream, Cisco, and Snom. To get these set up, you'll need to get in touch with your network specialist. You'll need a few things. The host. This is the account code you'll see in your Cloud Phone System's extension. User ID. This is the extension number you created. Password. This was auto-generated when you created the extension. You can change it to something more to your liking. Just remember to hit save after every change you make to your extension. Softphones. Next, let's talk about softphones. A softphone is basically a software version of a telephone. Instead of a physical device on your desk, a softphone lets you make and receive calls through your computer or smartphone. Some popular options include X-Lite and Zoiper. In this guide, we'll focus on setting up a softphone on a Windows PC. Step 1. Downloading Zoiper. Navigate to Zoiper's official website. Begin by visiting www.zoiper.com. Click on the download button. For Windows users, select the Windows option. However, Zoiper is versatile, offering versions for various operating systems. Choose the one that corresponds to your device. Don't forget to check Zoiper's system requirements listed on the website to ensure compatibility with your device. Step 2. Installing and opening Zoiper. Once downloaded, proceed with the installation of Zoiper on your device. Launch the Zoiper application. Choose Continue as free user. For basic calling functionalities like making and receiving calls, the free version of Zoiper suffices. Should you require advanced features such as call transfers and three-way calling, consider upgrading to a paid version. Visit Zoiper's website for more details and pricing. Step 3. Adding your extension. Enter your extension details. In the Zoiper app, input the extension you've created in your PBX as the username, followed by the password associated with it. Log in. After entering your extension details, proceed to input the host name. This refers to your account code, which can be found in the details of your Cloud Phone extension. Click Next to continue. Step 4. Finalizing the setup. You can choose to click Skip. Allow some time for the extension to register. Successful registration is indicated by a green bar under SIP UDP or SIP TCP, signifying that your account is now active and registered. Congratulations! Your extension is now fully set up on Zoiper, ready to make and receive calls. Our customer service team is always here to support you. Should you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to click the bubble icon at the bottom right corner of the page. We're here for you whenever you need us. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to enhancing your experience with our services.